today's video, I'll show you guys how to install the Widescreen Fix Mod and enjoy NFS Most Wanted 2005 in HD 2K or 4K resolutions. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and check the zip file and download the mod. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And just close up here and navigate to the game folder. The default game folder is located in C drive program files x86 EA games for speed most wanted, and just drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder and say continue again, and now launch the game. Once you are in game, just go to options and go to video. As you can see, the resolution is 1920 into 1080. Level of details you can change to whatever, and press enter to apply these settings. Select the yes option to save it, and now you can play the game on 1920 into 1080. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.